I'm proud to announce that we have in our basket introduced drones for agricultural use.
Drones are fast becoming the preferred method of application in Africa, boasting cheaper operating costs, ease of use, and a far more precise and effective application compared to traditional methods of crop spraying. Both competing against the manned aircraft and both the ground applicators, drones offer more versatility in terms of operating times. Drones can operate at night where manned aircraft cannot. Drones can also operate shortly after rainfall, where tractors and knapsack sprayers find it very difficult to move through and effectively spray the field. The drones are also more versatile in terms of not only can they apply and spray pesticides, as you can see the granular fertilizer here behind me, the drone is capable of spreading fertilizers, granular herbicides, seeds, as well as feed for overseeding, interseeding, and all of your granule application needs. Along with our partnership now with ETG Inputs that have a very, very strong foothold in Zambia and into Africa, we are very, very excited for the future of drones in Africa. DJI Agriculture has a range of drones. They initially started with 10-litre drones, then they moved to 16-litre drones, 20-litre drones, 25-litre drones, 30-litre drones, and now the 40-litre drone that we have here in front of us.
Increased payload, high efficiency, strong penetration, safe and reliable, smart and convenient. Meet the brand new DJI Agras T40.
It has been designed to always finish its payload or its chemical liquid before the battery runs dry. Depending on the application rate being applied, the norm for aerial application is 20 to 30 litres per hectare, and anywhere between 5 to 7 minutes you will empty that 40-litre payload, at which point you have roughly 30 to 40% battery remaining. Your drone will return, it will have a battery swap and a refill, and the drone will head back out to the point it stopped at and continue with the operation. All of that involved, 12 to 14 hectares per hour are your coverage rates with the Agras T40. So not only are the drones capable of doing your conventional crop spraying in terms of your normal weather, preferred weather conditions, the drones are very versatile in the sense that they can do all of the same spraying in the darkness of night, opening up more hours in a day for the applicator to do the job, alongside being able to fly in the rain. The drone is completely waterproof. As much as you wouldn't spray chemicals in the rain, some fertilizers and that preferred to be dropped right before or right after the rain.
The operation is simple and they don't need so much resources like we use tractors and other big equipments. And again, there are some crops which will grow where big implements or machinery will not be able to pass, but with drones, it will be possible. Drones we have in stock, they are already in. Yes, so it's not an issue of just talking about it, but we already have the drones at hand.